Yes, 605 minus 342, 605 people in the cinema. Out of 605, 342 bought popcorn, right? So 5 minus 2 is 3, 0 minus 4, not possible. So we will borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, that is the correct answer. Krishu, you were right, but you made a small mistake. Subtraction, right? You have to be very alert. Doing maths fast is good. At the same time, doing math correct is even more important. Okay, so you need to be very careful with that, beta. Okay, uh, the remaining examples are all for subtraction only. You can try your hands on. If you are not able to do it, you can ask me and we will solve it in the classroom. Okay, so we are going to go for the next worksheet, which is worksheet number 55. Okay, worksheet number 55. Worksheet number 55. All right, in that question number 3, sorry, first one we will do question number 1. Here all the missing digits are the same. Find the missing digits. 198 minus box, right? Now here all the missing digits are going to be the same ones. Okay, right? So we have to find out. We have to find out. If you put, it is subtraction. Okay, if you put 3 here, then the answer will be 5. Is it possible? 3 and 5, are they same? 3 and 5, are they same? Yes, no, they are not same. So we can have that 3 or 5. So which number will give us the same number? It is 9. How? 18 minus, here also it will be 9. So this becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is, okay, yes, this is how we solve. All the digits are going to be same, right? Now you should be very careful. How did we guess that? We try, we keep on trying. That is called as trial and error method. Okay, right? This is called trial and error method. You can keep trying different numbers. Every time you have to see, are the digits same? Yes or no. If the digit is same, that is your answer. If the digits are not the same, then you have to go for the next one. Okay, that is called as trial and error method. Now finding this missing number, you will find these type of examples in grade 6 and 7. There will be lots of such examples where you have to do lot of guessing work. Okay, you'll need, and for that you need to have this very well. Okay, good. Then we will go for the second one. We'll go for the second one. The population of a town is 821. Okay, total is 821, right? Men are how many? Right, 343. Women, how many are there? How many women are there? 285. Okay, now we have to find out how many children are there. Okay, how can we find this? Right, we subtract all these two numbers from this one. So you can do one way of doing it is 821 minus 343. Okay, so this is your whatever answer you get here, right? You have to find out. Come on. So now we have got 478. minus 285. Again, number of women have to be subtracted again, and you will get, so this is the number of children in the town, in the village. Okay, right? In the given town, it is this one, 193. Or another way of doing this is you add these two, 343 plus 285. So total number of men and women in this town is 628. Okay. Now this number you have to subtract from total. 821 minus 628. See, on both the sides, the answer is same. Okay. One way of doing it is this one. The second way of doing it is here. Now you may not have space in your workbook. So for this type of examples, you have to use your notebook. Okay, come on, keep it up, do it fast. Come on, finish it up, everyone. Note it down. Yes, write it down quickly. Come on, everyone, note it down. This you have to write it down. Come on. Yes, Fatima, note it down quickly. Come on, finish it up. If you are using a laptop, you can also print screen. That is also an option that you can do, right? You can just use print screen, and then it will become very easy. Okay, Charmi? If you are using laptop or if you are using an iPad, you can take a screenshot of this. That is also possible. And if you are recording this, that is great. I'm going to put it on YouTube anyway. Okay, this session I'm recording and I'm going to put it on YouTube anyway. So you will have that, right? Later on you can find it out. Okay, so next example we are going to do is, the next example that we are going to do is question number 3. There were 625 men, 570 women and 470 children in a village. Due to a flood, 218 men, 325 women and 260 children were shifted to a relief camp. Okay. People of some other neighboring villages helped the flood affected people to survive in the relief camps. They donated food, money and clothes. Question number A. Problem number 3, question number A. How many men, women and children are still left in the village? Okay. So first, people in village you will have to found. People in village is equal to number of men, that is 625 plus 570 women plus 470 children. Find the addition product of these three. Come on, find the addition, right? Come on, find the addition of these three. 5, 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carried over. Okay, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 1665 people are there in the village. Okay, yes, this is easy. Addition, yes. Okay, now how many left the village? How many went to the relief camp? People in relief camp. People in relief camp. So how many went there? Number of men 218 plus 325 women plus 262. You have to add these three now. Yes, very good. Very good, Maithili. Good job. Now you have to add these three. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15. 1 carried over. Okay. Plus 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 10. 1 carried over. 3, 6 plus 2. So these many people were shifted to relief camp. Okay. Total number of people in the village 1665. How many people were shifted in relief camp? 805. So now it is very easy that how many are left in the village? People left in the village. People left in village is equal to 1665 minus 800. Come on, find out the answer. Sir, thoda slow karao. Okay. Harsh Agrawal. Okay, fine. Fine, no problems. All right. Come on. You can do this. Addition and subtraction. You can do it now. Come on. 5 minus 5. It is 0. Yes. 6 minus 0 is 6. All right. 6 minus 8. Not possible. So, 16 minus 8. Okay. Done. Very good. All righty. Come on. Finish it up. Come on. We need to do it a little bit faster. We lost 2 days of teaching. Yes? Come on, everyone. Do it fast. Yes, Bhavya, you want to say something? You have raised your hand. Bolo beta.
Sir, thoda dheere karao.
Okay, I'll move out. Okay. Come on, finish it up. These are value-based questions. Come on, let's do it quickly. Finish it up. Come on, note it down quickly. Come on, finish it up. Done? Yes? No? Come on. You have to copy it. Just come on, quickly. Come on, Krishiv. Yes, it's difficult. Noting down or understanding? Yes, Krishiv? Speak up. हाँ बोलो. Speak up.
सर, मुझे ऐसा नहीं आता कि है ना ये ऐसा करना है पर कैसे करना है कहाँ पर?
In the workbook, beta. If you don't have space in the workbook, then you can write it in your notebook. Okay? Right?
ये सिर्फ नंबर से ही करना है?
Yes. First part you are going to write this one. This is the first part to write. Then this is the second part, and this is the third part, because I don't have space like you have in your notebook. That is why. Okay, come on. Right? Yes. Come on. Good job, everyone. Question was that there are some people in the village. Yes. Out of some people went to the relief camp. So how many are left in the village? It's a very simple question. It's just a long question. Otherwise, it's a very simple question. It's a simple subtraction question. All you have to do is first add total number of people in the village. First step. Yes. Second step, people in the relief camp who went to the relief camp. Okay, so again you have to add number of men, number of women, and number of children. Again you have to add them, and then how many are left in the village. So total people in the village minus how many went to the relief camp. Answer is here. It's an easy subtraction sum. Only thing is it's a long one. Okay, don't worry. It's very easy. With practice, you will get it. Come on. Yes, Paul. Did you understand? Good. Harsh Agarwal. Now is it clear? You can type the message. Still not understanding? No problems, Mida. You can see it again on the YouTube as well. Right? This is very simple problem. First, you have to add the total number of men, women, and children. Okay? That is first part. Right? Second part, add the number of people who went to relief camp, men, women, and children again, right? And then you have to subtract number of people in the relief camp from number of people in the village. The answer is these many people are left in the village. Okay, it's very easy. Come on. Alrighty, that's it for the day. Question number 4 we are not going to do, but these two examples, these two worksheets, worksheet number 56 and 7, mental math and Olympiad. Mental math and Olympiad. You can try on your own, right? Okay. Devagna Kataria, stop typing unnecessary messages. Okay. Right. Worksheet number 56 and 57, that is for Olympiad and for mental math. You have to try on your own. Okay. All right. I'm sure you'll be able to do this. These examples are very easy. Pari is saying I have already done it. Pari, slow down a little bit. Anna, slow down. Ashvi wants to say something. Yes, Ashvi, speak beta.
सर आपने जो वो लिखाया ना
हाँ
बोर्ड पे, वो किस पे लिखना था?
नोटबुक में बेटा,
क्वेश्चन
इन द
तो
नोटबुक.
मैंने तो लिखा ही नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Okay, Devagna Katare also wants to say something. Yes, Devagna, you can keep your video on.
सर मैंने भी नहीं लिखा.
अच्छा, आपने भी नहीं लिखा. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. You can copy it from the YouTube when I'll post it. Okay. Yes, Saijit Das. Bolo. Yes, beta, speak up. Saijit Das.
सर
हाँ बेटा, बोलो बेटा. हेलो, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा. Okay, no problems. No problems, बेटा. Okay, that's it for the day. if you have any questions, you can send it, you can ask it on the WhatsApp number. Okay, right? I'm not able to connect with you all properly. Okay, bye bye.